You thought robots were coming for factory workers? That the biggest impact of automation would be on the manufacturing sector? Wrong. They're coming for white-collar workers. The very people who thought they were immune to the technological revolution. And they're already here. The AI revolution isn't some distant threat, it's actively reshaping the professional landscape as we speak. By 2026, your spreadsheet skills won't save you. That proficiency you've honed for years? AI can do it faster, more accurately, and without complaint. Your MBA won't protect you. That expensive piece of paper doesn't guarantee immunity from the AI takeover, and your job title won't matter. Senior Vice President, Director of Innovation? AI doesn't care about your place in the corporate hierarchy, because AI large language models, LLMs, don't care about your resume. All those carefully crafted bullet points, achievements, and skills? Irrelevant. LLMs like GPT, Claude, and Gemini are replacing entry-level analysts, the very foundation of many corporate structures. Interns and assistants without a salary, benefits, or breaks. They work tirelessly, 24/7, without demanding compensation or time off. They generate emails, polished professional emails tailored to specific recipients and purposes, write reports, comprehensive data-driven reports that would take a human analyst days to compile. Summarize meetings, condensing hours of discussion into concise, actionable summaries in mere moments. Analyze data, sifting through massive data sets to identify trends, patterns, and insights that humans would miss, all in seconds. Tasks that once took hours, days, or even weeks are now completed in the blink of an eye. That first foot-in-the-door job, it doesn't exist anymore. The traditional entry-level roles that served as stepping stones are vanishing. Middle managers think you're secure, comfortable in your role as a facilitator and coordinator? Think again. Your responsibilities are squarely in the crosshairs of AI automation. Your job, scheduling meetings, a task easily automated with AI-powered calendar tools, reviewing slides, providing feedback that AI can now generate and implement automatically, writing memos, a form of communication rapidly being replaced by AI-generated summaries and reports, is exactly what LLMs do best. These are the tasks that AI excels at, streamlining workflows and boosting efficiency, only faster. Significantly faster, completing tasks in a fraction of the time it takes a human, cheaper, dramatically cheaper, freeing up resources for other strategic initiatives, error-free, minimizing mistakes and ensuring consistent quality in all outputs. Let's talk corporate math. The cold, hard numbers that drive business decisions. A full-time white-collar worker costs over 6 figures. Salary, benefits, overhead, the expenses add up quickly. AI costs $30 a month, a tiny fraction of the cost of a human employee with significantly greater output. No PTO. AI doesn't need vacation time, it works continuously. No sick days. AI doesn't get sick, it's always ready to perform. No politics. AI is objective and unbiased, focused solely on achieving its assigned tasks. It's not personal, it's just profit. Businesses are driven by the bottom line, and AI offers a clear path to increase profitability. Here's what LLMs already do better than you, a growing list of capabilities that are rapidly expanding. Write clearer emails, concise, professional, and tailored to the specific recipient. Draft legal documents. Basic contracts and legal paperwork can be generated quickly and efficiently. Generate slide decks. Visually appealing and informative presentations can be created in minutes. Create marketing copy. Compelling and persuasive marketing materials that drive engagement. Analyze spreadsheets. Identifying trends and insights hidden within complex data sets. Build websites. Basic websites and landing pages can be created with minimal effort. And it's learning faster than any human on Earth. Constantly improving its capabilities and expanding its knowledge base. You went to college, you invested years and thousands of dollars in your education. You got promoted, you climbed the corporate ladder, earning recognition and increased responsibility. You played the corporate game, you navigated office politics, built relationships, and followed the rules. Now, the game has changed. The old rules no longer apply, a new era has begun. AI doesn't care about your degree. Those credentials that once guaranteed success are now largely irrelevant. It cares about data. And it's got more than you ever will. Access to vast amounts of information is the new currency. Winners in 2026 aren't the ones with the best resumes. Traditional qualifications are no longer the key to success. They're the ones who embrace the new reality and adapt to the changing landscape. Use AI like a weapon. harnessing its power to enhance their own capabilities and achieve unprecedented results. Learn fast, acquiring new skills and knowledge at an accelerated pace. Adapt constantly, embracing change and remaining flexible in the face of uncertainty. Build with the machine, not against it. Collaborating with AI to achieve synergistic outcomes. Prompt engineers, those who can effectively communicate with AI to achieve desired results. Builders, those who use AI to create new products, services, and solutions. Operators, those who manage and maintain AI systems to ensure optimal performance. Strategic thinkers, those who can leverage AI to develop innovative business strategies. That's who thrives. These are the individuals who will not only survive but flourish in the age of AI. This is the white-collar extinction event, a dramatic shift in the job market that will leave many unprepared. Same way robots replaced factory workers, a technological revolution that transformed the manufacturing industry. LLMs are replacing you. The same fate awaits those who fail to adapt to the AI revolution. If you're still working like it's 2016, clinging to outdated methods and resisting technological advancements, you won't be working at all in 2026. The future belongs to those who embrace AI, not those who ignore it. Use AI or get used by it. The choice is yours. Become a master of AI or become a victim of its power. This is not a drill. This is a real and present danger that demands immediate action. Subscribe if you're not trying to get replaced. Stay informed and learn how to navigate the AI revolution. Like if you're ready to evolve, show your commitment to adapting and thriving in the age of AI, and drop a comment. Share your thoughts and concerns about the AI revolution. Is your job safe, or are you next? The future of work is uncertain, but one thing is clear: adaptation is key.